Ever sent money and instantly regretted it? Today, we're cutting through the confusion to show you exactly how to cancel a Worldremit money transfer, saving you potential headaches and some of your hard-earned cash. First, recognize that cancellation isn't always a certainty. It depends on how far along the transaction is. The most crucial step begins by logging into your Worldremit account. Once logged in, find the Track Transfer section. Usually accessible through your dashboard or transaction history. Locate the specific transfer you wish to cancel. Inside the transfer details, look carefully for a Cancel Transfer button. This button will only appear if the transfer hasn't been fully processed, meaning the money hasn't already been picked up or sent to the recipient's bank. If the button isn't there, the transfer might have already been completed. If the Cancel button is visible, clicking it will initiate the cancel process. Be prepared for potential fees. Although the exact amount varies, Worldremit normally displays such fees before you officially confirm the cancel, and understanding them is vital before proceeding. After you've confirmed the cancellation and if it's successful, Worldremit will start the refund process. Usually, the amount goes back into your original payment method. The time it takes for the refund to arrive depends on your bank or payment provider. Keep a record of the cancellation confirmation as proof. Be patient, and if any issues arise, contact Worldremit's customer service immediately.